Yeah, so on the '08 Sonata, just changing out the trunk struts here. Okay, the ones I got from Rock Auto, right there. I forget what they were for price-wise, but reasonable price. So of course got two of those and a messy trunk, a lot of stuff. But yeah, so here's the other one. Okay, so alright, so all I got is this deal here. Okay, and they just come in from the top here. Okay, just peel that deal like that. Okay. Oops, there. Get behind there, and there you go. There's the deal. That's it. And then that's gonna come right out. That's the plan anyway. That's it, like that. Okay. Then the bottom one. Same deal. Pull the pin out here, or the whatever you call it. It's not a pin, but there you go. It's like that, just enough to. Okay. Where is it? Yeah, just enough to get that clip right there loose, and it just pops right off. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Alrighty. And let's see the new one. New one's like that. Okay. And you could put some grease on here, but I think there's a dab of grease already in there. That white stuff. I think they already, yeah. Looks like they already put some grease in there. So you can just kind of press that on like that. And the top one. Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and I'm gonna get in here and pry this out a little bit. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pry that. Alright, not gonna be able to hold the camera and show you, but that's what I'm doing. Let's see. Oh, alright. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. Just go ahead. Alright, so that's what I did. I just held it there, and then I just pried this out a little bit so those clips expand, and then just slid right on there. So yeah, it's really easy, and I'll just do the other side. Okay, so obviously these are original from '08. So alright, so on this side it's got this plastic piece that holds the wire here. Okay, so what you want to do is you just want to loosen it from the top here, and then the bottom, and then it's going to slide right out of this thing. Okay, so this came undone, but this just goes right here. It just slips right there. And then with these, if you want to maybe wipe them down with some brake cleaner or something, clean them up a little bit from old grease. Yeah. Alright, so that's how easy it is to replace the trunk struts on the 08 Sonata. The hood strut is the same way as far as removing and installing. Same type of deals here. Just a little longer strut, but yeah. And then so other cars would be similar. You know, if they look like that, obviously they're gonna work the same way. So, all right, hey, thanks for watching, subscribing. Take care. Bye now.